Good morning, this is Anu Sharma with your pre-opening picture for today, Thursday, August 19th. With just under 45 minutes to go until the opening bell, the futures are pointing towards a significantly lower open. The futures were trading in an extremely volatile fashion this morning. We initially saw the futures trading higher on news that Germany improved their forecasts for their GDP numbers. However, we saw that sentiment quickly turn as we saw the jobless claims number come in at 500,000. This has been the first time that this number has broke 500,000 since November of 2009. The expectation was 475,000 files completed, but at this point right now, it looks like this market does not like the number that's at 500,000. We're seeing a lot of selling in the pre-market right now, and people are not looking to see if there's any other positive news coming out this morning. However, we do have one bit of good news out there, and that's a fairly large acquisition from Intel, the chip giant. They are buying McAfee for a $48 per share price tag. That's going to total to an amount of $7.68 billion. That's a 60% premium to McAfee's current stock price right now. This is a big acquisition for the year, and right now the markets do like to see that. However, at this point, they are still focused on the jobless claims number. Now, people will look at this acquisition and say, how does this actually fit? Well, the synergies are in terms of cloud computing. Intel is going to now have the ability to provide the hardware for cloud computing as well as the protective nature. Intel right now is saying that it's going to be dilutive for the first year, flat for the second, and then in the third year, you're going to start to see it turn a profit. So for the most part, this is a long-term play on Intel, and it really looks at the direction this company wants to go in terms of cloud computing. Now, one other thing we have to look out for today will be after the bell. We have two more giants reporting earnings. We have Dell and Hewlett-Packard. Now, these are two stocks that really focus in the consumer space. Bulk of their revenues coming from laptops and PCs. So right now, it's going to be interesting to see what their numbers show and whether or not it reinforces the fact that consumers are still not spending money. So that'll be interesting to see as well. And this is Anu Sharma from the Nasdaq Market Intelligence Desk with your pre-opening picture.